real crunchy guitars and heavy vocals, you know. But as for everybody out there, we're death metal.
Cycle.
All right, welcome back. It's garage night, aka just me sitting back, having a cold one, and pecking away at stuff. So I just got back from ripping around. It's been super nice. Calm before the storm. Indian summer, I guess you'd call it around here, but was fixing up my Sportster a little bit here and there. I've been neglecting some things. The taillight crapped out after that last trip to Oregon, and I need to fix the exhaust, which I need to do right now, but I'm kind of lazy. And then I took a break on the shovel head. The primary side, I want to run open chain, so I'm just kind of marinating on thinking about how to do that. The shifter is in between. The primary cover holds it on there, and I want to run it without the cover, so I got to figure out a way to keep it there without buying a bunch of extra stuff. It's always like you do one thing, it just chain reacts to a bunch of other stuff. But I also just want to get it going instead of trying to buy a bunch of stuff. And everybody and their mother has been harassing me about getting a primary belt, getting a belt drive. I'm not going to spend $700 on a bike that I haven't even gone down the street on yet. So that's ongoing. Yeah, I'm going to sip on this a couple times. We're going to weld my Sportster. All right, so this thing on my Sportster, my exhaust bracket broke off, which is my fault. But I put some baling wire on it just for safety purposes, or just to keep it from vibrating too much. But I also have a bracket down there I made, so it's at least got one. It's just this long pipe, vibrates all over the place. You hear that? Makes a hell of a noise. So what I got to do now is just grind this all out and run another bead on there. Pretty simple. The other funny thing is, put the bracket on the bike, put the pipe through it, tacked it up, welded it. Well, when I did it that way, I put the bolt in, and it's been like that ever since. And then I tried to get it out, and then it didn't go back together very good. So it's always been rattling around, and that's how it broke. So now I can pull the bolt out and make it so the bolt's not stuck in between the pipe and the bracket. And put it the other way and put the lock nut in there. So that'll be nice. And hopefully that'll be all I gotta do. So yeah, a couple more sips, and then I'll hook up the welder and get the grinder out and whatever else I need, and be pretty quick. All right, first things first, I got this wire I gotta take off. Probably should just cut it. Never mind, it came off easy. This crap. I always keep this in my tool roll, but now I need to get some more. That stuff came in handy. Okay, now I got this, all this crap I gotta clean up. Let me try to get some tools. What's nice about this bike is pretty much 90% of the bolts. They'll hold the sissy bar on, oil bag, exhaust stuff, except for these weird things I probably could change, but it's what fit in there. It's all 1/2 inch. And I did that on purpose. Made 2 of these pieces out of angle iron. Gonna clean it up. I probably should paint it, but I'm not that into it. Definitely pretty haggard, but I think I can just lay this all into the pipe. All right, let's get the welder set up. So after all that, I realized I got this exhaust mount fancy thing. It came in a 2-pack, and I put one here with an elbow and all kinds of stuff. I think I bought a package that had different things just in case, because the angles versus the pipe angle, it just wasn't working. Neither was this one. But what I think I'm going to do is the bracket on the back comes up, and I'll just pinch this down, and that should work out. But the fun part is I don't have a bolt, so I got to wait till tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to go take a break. See you on the bolt side.
The next day.
Oh man, good old-fashioned coffee. Whew. It was a tough one. Almost had to fabricate, but I got away with just using brackets. But I had to wait till morning time, which is right now, to get a bolt, because I have 400 bolts and nuts and they don't work together. I'm probably just gonna throw them all away because I'm tired of digging through it. But check this out.
What's that? What's that, brother?
Solid as a rock. I was gonna weld this piece of junk back on there, but it looks like ass. So I like this better. And I got the kind of matching one. Plus, chrome will get you home. All right. Head over to deathmetalcycles.com. Make sure you get a t-shirt, sticker pack, there's all kinds of stuff on there. Hats are really good. And like and subscribe. Till next time, go check out all my other playlists. I'll put them up here.